Using social media part 2. Facebook.
In today's internet, Facebook has become a force to be reckoned with. For many people, Facebook is their internet. It is where they get their news, catch up with their friends, go for entertainment, and follow their favorite brands. Facebook has grown to be the largest social networking site in the world. Boasting over 2 billion monthly active users, most users spend close to an hour every day interacting on a Facebook-owned property.
Even if Facebook doesn't end up being your main hub of social media, there are several reasons why using it can be beneficial.
It can give you amazing insights into your target audience and your competitors. It can humanize your business and give you the ability to create a community around your brand. There are also SEO benefits to being on Facebook. Using Facebook pages for marketing. The basis for all marketing on Facebook is a Facebook business page. Pages have been around almost as long as the network itself and have become an important way for anyone running a business to communicate directly with their ideal audience. You'll be able to see data on the demographics of users who like your page, which posts are most effective, some insights into your competitors, and more.
Optimizing your business page, having an optimized Facebook profile, is fundamental to the success of your marketing efforts on Facebook.
If you have yet to set up a business page for your photography business, it's really simple. Just navigate to the drop-down menu in the top bar on Facebook and click Create Page. You'll be asked what kind of page to set up, and you'll likely want to choose business or brand. Social media Facebook, your profile and cover photos. When you upload a profile photo, choose something that reflects your brand. If you are the face of your brand, then use a professional headshot. If you use your company logo, make sure that it is legible when seen in the newsfeed. Your cover is also an opportunity to show off your photography or editing services either in a photo or video.
The optimal size for a Facebook cover photo or video is 828 x 465 pixels.
When designing your cover, remember that it is a great way to let visitors know about current seasonal offerings and promotions you have, or simply to give them an idea of your overall offerings. Social media Facebook, creating a page description, about section, and call to action. When you're in the process of setting up a new page, Facebook will prompt you to create a short description of your business. You will have 155 characters to write a few sentences about who you are, who you serve, and the benefits to your client. Your About section in order to access and edit all the information for your business page, navigate to the About section. The About section for your page details everything about your business and has vital information like your phone number, website, email, mission, and more.
Add a Facebook call to action. While Facebook has a lot of great features to help you interact with potential clients, oftentimes the customer journey does not stop there, and you will want to drive users to your website or have them get in touch with you.
In order to offer an easy way to drive website traffic or messages, Facebook rolled out the Call to Action button, which can be found under your cover. This button allows users to book with you using certain app integrations, message you, visit your website, and more. Social media Facebook, building your Facebook fan base. Many marketers will tell you that the amount of likes you have on Facebook or any social media platform is a vanity metric. However, the larger your fan base on Facebook, the more people you have the potential to reach with your posts. Although Facebook has throttled the delivery of organic posts over the years, some people and businesses are still able to maintain engagement with their fans by being strategic about what they post. Having an engaged audience on Facebook is the most important tool anyone can give you for how to succeed on the platform. The best ways to build your community is to optimize your page, invite some initial friends or colleagues that you know would be interested in your page, and then be consistently active and engaging on the platform.
So, fill out your About section as much as possible, and this will help Facebook understand your business better.
Social media Facebook, what to post on Facebook. However, as the newsfeed has gotten more crowded, competition has become stiffer. Facebook has given more preference to posts that are seen as relevant based on initial follower response. In the past, the Facebook algorithm has favored video, and in 2018 Facebook shifted towards showing more content from a user's friends and family. While this may have meant that the power of the business page has the potential to shrink, by focusing on creating content that people care about and engage with, you can work on creating staying power in the newsfeed. Some ideas to stay visible and relevant in the newsfeed. Still use video, but use it strategically and prompt a discussion with your followers. Take advantage of live video. Facebook says that live videos, on average, get 6 times as many interactions as regular videos. Post tagged photos more, post links less. Facebook prefers content that lives on Facebook, not content that will drive users off of the platform. Post content that is meaningful to your local community by sharing your events and relevant updates. Utilize your brand advocates. If you have a referral program, incentivize social sharing. According to Sprout Social, people are 16 times more likely to read a post from a friend than a brand. If there is something newsworthy from your industry or community, share that. You can also occasionally encourage followers to select to see updates from your page first. Social media. Facebook. When to post on Facebook. Conventional wisdom has held that people are on Facebook the most during work hours. New 2020 stats of the best times to post on Facebook back this data up, showing consistent engagement between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. on Wednesday and Thursday. Until you build up enough of a fan base to get some meaningful data, post regularly and keep an eye on the times that your fan base seems the most active. Social media. Facebook post types. Now that we know the overall content mix we want to share and when, let's dive into some of the top types of posts Facebook makes available to us. Facebook images. One of the most important and most highly used is an image post. So, having eye-catching visuals is one of the best ways to stand out. The recommended image size for the Facebook news feed is 1200px by 630px. Facebook video. As we discussed, video is a great way to engage with your audience, and the Facebook algorithm has shown some favor to video posts because of its high engagement. In fact, a few years back, a Facebook executive predicted that all content on the platform would be video-based by 2021. So, if you have videos that share stories about your business, share them with your fans. Facebook Live. Facebook Live is a great way to broadcast yourself to your fans in video format, and you will be able to stream to your page via your smartphone. Fans will be notified and be able to join you and ask questions throughout your broadcast. Start live video button. Engage with viewers by asking them their questions and sharing some of their comments. Reintroduce yourself and your topic every few minutes for new viewers by saying something like, "If you're just joining us, I'm your name, and today we're talking about live video topic." Facebook links. As we discussed, Facebook likes to keep users on the platform. According to BuzzSumo, Facebook posts with images see more than twice the engagement than those without. Blog posts, links to your lead magnet, and articles that your audience would find relevant are all great content to share. Social media. Creating your Facebook marketing strategy. The core of any marketing strategy is knowing who your audience is. Once you know the ideal persona that you want to engage with, you will more easily understand what to post. As you gain fans, you can use your Facebook Insights to see some demographic information on them like their age, gender, and where they are from. Driving sales with Facebook. With the algorithm changes implemented in 2018, it may mean that Facebook is working harder to keep users from clicking away. Driving awareness and engagement with social media. While sales do happen on Facebook, social media is generally not the primary driver of revenue for businesses. The sales that are made on the platform are usually the result of fans who are already brand aware and have engaged significantly in the past.